James just blew his up. What an idiot, dude.
Hey guys, today's video is sponsored by Raycon. Ever need to block out the sound from maybe a loud car or some idiot coworkers who think their truck's gonna be faster than yours? Well, you're in luck because Raycon's got you covered. Most exciting thing about today's video is getting a deal you wouldn't normally get from Raycon. The holiday season's upon us and there's lots of good deals out there, but Raycon provides premium audio at a great price all year long. But that doesn't mean they're not having a sale for Black Friday. They're actually doubling down on their amazing value and offering up to 30% off site-wide. I love the Raycon Everyday earbuds because I can use them while I'm editing or making phone calls and they actually don't fall out of your ear. I don't know if I have weird shaped ears or what, but these are the only earbuds that stay in no matter what. They got several size gel tips so you can make them fit to any size ear. I'm telling you, they just don't fall out. When you're done, you slap them back in this protective case that even charges them up. 32 hours of battery life we're talking here, folks. Active noise cancellation. You can pair two devices at once. And if you're still not impressed, Raycon has a 30-day happiness guarantee. You can get your money back. And one last cool thing, with just 10 minutes of charging, you can get an hour and a half of battery life. If you're like me and forget to charge your stuff. Like I said, it's time to save big, and with Black Friday here, save up to 30% site-wide by simply visiting buyraycon.com/Cleetus McFarland, and that link is also in the description below. That's right, 30% off. Buyraycon.com/Cleetus McFarland. Thanks to Raycon for sponsoring today's video. Let's get to the live action.
Hell yeah, brother. You're on the Cleetus McFarland YouTube channel.
Days to Ace. We are out here at LeMullets, boys. This is the real deal. We got music in the background. We got a full crowd of people here. Oh my gosh, it just got so much better. Oh, he's literally doing donuts. Oh my gosh, how does it not snap in half? How does it not?
That was crazy.
Nice push car we got here.
Just shame someone did it.
First part out of the day. Oh, America.
I just love it out here.
I just love it. Look at that baby go. You are hooning this thing, brother.
What's the deal?
So, another surprise. I know you're a fan, maybe not a fan, but all I'm going to say is there's 3 trucks here today, not 2.
3 monster trucks?
3 monster trucks.
Dude, I heard one idling over there earlier, and I was like, there might be another one here.
Oh, 3 trucks.
Definitely, no, you definitely need to watch that. But for right now, watch turn 2, turn 4 is going to blow your mind.
You ain't gonna hit the defender, is it?
It might be good for TV, I guess. No, he's clear.
Oh. Oh, I love it, dude. I freaking love it.
Dude! It looks just like him.
It's got parachutes on it.
My boy turned Mullet into a monster truck. Tomfoolery, monster trucks.
Dude,
Made a Mullet body.
that's so cool.
Just like it.
Right away to start the night. Monster truck.
Dude.
Wow, it's so accurate to Mullet. It looks just like
Oh,
it.
the carbon fiber is the sticker.
Oh, I love it.
Big time rolling tonight. I thought you knew. You didn't know this? I think you guys strategically held it from me. This is not what we meant when we said we were going to put a big tire under Mullet.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
So the top floor guys, when did you make this?
Listen, this has been in the works for a year. We came out here last year, and we had a blast with you guys. And we thought, you know what would be cooler than monster trucks if we made monster trucks and made Mullet out of a monster truck? What do you guys think of this truck?
Oh, the parachutes? The parachutes, the wing? It's got the dragway on it, dude. This is sick.
Travis in his work.
Oh, watch out, watch out. Oh, damn, Travis.
This freaking minivan has a jet in it. Oh my gosh. That's Kyle. Did you know about that?
Yeah, we're staying down here, brother.
What the heck?
That's Boosted Boys Kyle.
Yeah, I know, dude. Lunatic.
Here we go, van free.
Arguably the best part of the show.
Oh, one kid.
Are they getting?
One
I was about to say.
One's got a rope.
These are strapped together with a little string.
Oh my God.
First jump! Yeah! Oh my gosh! Oh! 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 We got a pile up.
Hey, the grass is a lot stronger now. It's rooted.
Yeah, this baby's got some torque. Jumper coming up.
Blew the back
That
tire.
sounded bad. Oh, jumper! Jumper! Oh my gosh, there's stuff everywhere! Oh! Oh my gosh! No way!
Dude, Jim York
Oh
just
my
aired it
God.
out.
Oh! Oh, here we go! Oh! That was the best one of the day. That was the biggest one of the day. Let's go!
Everybody make some noise for the winner of the Grand Speedy
What a sight to see.
Exactly.
The van free. It's incredible. How can this escalate any further, brother?
I'm at a loss for words, but like it doesn't need to because it's the coolest
Did
thing
you
on
feel like
four
a
wheels.
bald eagle?
Oh, yeah, no, dude. I just learned that 93 Aero stars are very front heavy.
Yeah, that puppy is
I was
smile.
like, there's the ground. Let's hope. Yes, okay, not
That
dead.
was so sick,
Oh,
dude. That was
so
foul.
much fun.
Everybody good? You guys all good?
Yes.
Oh my God.
So we're doing some training right now.
All right, and
It's fast?
you guys can finally get it done.
Is he ready for a distraction?
Oh! 4.6 seconds. Nobody beat that. 4.6 seconds. Nobody's beating that.
Yeah, wear yourself out, bud.
Really fast cars up here.
This round's going straight to the forehead.
All right, as we continue to work our way back here, Andy Bell, Jim York getting ready to
Let's
go.
go.
Can't let him get his head. Oh, dang it.
4.5. Shave the 10th off. There it is. You guys are so good.
I just seen something crazy on the live feed.
Illegal, and they're not allowed on the racetrack. What is going on here?
You actually K-swapped the crown Vic for this.
And turbo.
Oh my gosh, dude. It's freaking high. What the heck, dude?
There's a legitimate. They K-swapped the crown Vic. Did you qualify in this?
You know, it just so happens that it wasn't running during qualifying.
Oh,
We just made it out last minute, you know.
bro, what the heck? Unbelievable.
Turbo on intercooled? Let him race. It ain't making it.
Next lap was a 20.1 with Brent driving.
Let him run it.
Oh my gosh, dude. Huh. America. Dude. That was sick. This is the most American thing ever. Parachute Army guys flying in to a race with minivans jumping, monster trucks, and fireworks. Oh, clean!
You guys ready or what?
Listen, we got a deal.
No, we cannot all cut.
I'm
not cutting.
We'll tackle him.
Whoa. We don't gotta hurt anybody. Come on.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my, let's go. Come on, let's go.
And they're off. They are.
Oh my goodness.
They are running half the speed of smell right now, but they're going.
They still got a long way to go. This may not how they do it in France, but this is how we do it at the Freedom Factory. Everybody's staying off the grass.
I don't see Jake anymore. Where's Jake? Did Jake cut? Jake's cutting through the grass. Noah,
Cleetus is right up
I had
there
money
amongst
on you, buddy. I'm going to need you to speed it up. Here we go. We're fixing to get the first door closed. Cleetus was the first one to his car. They gone. Let's go. Here we go.
Victor was burning. I was like, oh my gosh. You all right, Steve? Pulled the hammy? Let's go, JH. Let's go, JH. Woo, JH. Yeah, buddy. Oh, watch it. Watch it, Vice Grip. Watch it, brother. Dude, my boy JH is using all my nitrous. Here we go. Jackson, I'll see you out there. DeBerty?
Yeah.
You're done, boy.
Dude. Get out.
Hey, good job. Good job. All right, good job.
Right there at the end.
It's all right. It's all right. Hey, you did exactly what you had to do. Keep this baby in one piece. Hey, what I tell you, you're going to be the first one out. I ran my heart out. All right, brother. All right. Hey, I got you. All right, guys. Well, we just realized our back right tire is pretty shot. So what do you think? Should I just first caution, just go get a tire?
It's better to do it earlier than later.
All right, I'll get it.
It's getting down to the wire, boys. Ronnie Renner is the lead. Keep McGee right behind him. Oh, no way! Here we go. 58 seconds on the clock. 5 cars left. Keith McGee and Vice Grip. Dude, you won!
Yeah! Yeah!
Brother! You got that W! Oh my God! Let's go! Dude! Finally! All right, guys. It's the day after the big race. She's looking a little beat up here, buddy, but not bad.
Not bad, considering that was one of the baddest events yet, right?
That was the sickest event by far we've ever had. Like, the way it flowed, it was basically Jace flying, then monster trucks, then Crown Vic qualifying, then Van Prix, then right into the race, and then during the driver, Golden Knights. Then during the driver change, Jace flew again. It was nonstop action for like 4 hours straight. It was so good. Time for some burnouts today.
Yes, sir. We got some bad cars.
Yeah, dude, there's some sick cars, so. All I got's neighbor. All my stuff's broken, dude.
All right.
Corn cob's back up and going. That's good.
Jack standing in the monster truck up here.
I stand in a monster truck. That's sightseeing.
Yeah, it is.
I'm driving the Mullet monster truck, brother.
You already drove this one. You don't want to drive this one again.
Yeah, you already drove the Freedom Flyer.
Yeah, no, I'm here for the Mullet monster.
Dang, you got good tires, brand new tires on this thing. Look at them.
James, we having a drag race?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Will this do donuts on these tires?
Yeah.
Oh, good to know. Not that I'd ever try that.
No, never. What do you mean? Hopefully you try it today. I mean, if you're going to drive it.
You got to do a cyclone.
Is that for a high gear deal?
I start out in second, just burp it, get it going, and then
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, I'll just feel it out and just go till the truck flips over.
Yeah.
You can, but
No,
this will be
I'm
ruined
kidding.
for today's show, so it's up to you.
Hey, I want to give a big thanks to these guys. Tomfoolery Motorsports building the Mullet monster truck. Is that not the
Surprise.
greatest
It's
thing
the
I've ever
greatest.
Total
seen?
surprise.
I love it.
So,
How's my blower belt? Feel it.
give it a smash.
She looking good?
Yeah, that ain't going anywhere.
Feeling good? Does it feel like Mullet?
Incredible. It feels just like Mullet in here.
There's a little more ride height?
Slightly more ride height, but all in all, same angle.
Okay.
The cowl hood, clean.
James nearly ready?
They're moving the steering wheel up right now.
Cleetus in the Mullet monster truck. Why is this so much cooler than Mullet? Oh, it's time to fire him up. Time to fire him up. Jack standing in the Freedom Flyer. Cleetus in the Mullet. Couple big old blower trucks here, boys. So big. Oh, he's crab walking. Rear steering out there. He's rear steering. Oh, easy, bud. Easy. That's a monster truck. Dude, this guy needs to speed it up. Cleetus. Oh my God. Alright. Alright, take it easy. Freaking lunatic. Last thing I need is that throttle sticking right now. We're going to the back 40. Cleetus is getting real freaking antsy up there. Let's go! Damn. Oh, dude, that was so sick.
Oh, these things are good. What happened?
James just blew his up.
No way.
Oh my gosh. How did we not see that coming? Yeah, I'm pretty sure James just blew his up.
Okay, the Freedom Flyer will no longer be performing.
No
in today's
way.
event. It has a hole in the motor.
James, you idiot! Yeah, you got a rod sticking out of the block down here.
Dude, I was vibing.
Yeah, there's a hole in the oil pan.
Damn, you idiot. Dude, I was vibing.
Golly, dude.
I see you go back and
I don't remember that being there when we
You
started.
idiot, dude.
How are we never gonna come
I
back?
told you guys not to let Jack stand drive.
I told you I was head of the R&D department.
Oh boy.
I'll show you. Michael, show him the hole.
Now we got one less monster truck
Yes,
for the show.
Freedom Flyer will not be performing in today's festivities because the show's in like 3 hours and we're not changing the motor right now.
Dang it, dude.
We have a spare in the trailer, but we're not doing that.
Yeah, no.
We're not gonna have enough
Take us
time.
about 4 or 5
We have
hours.
5 hours.
Hey, Mullet, running top notch.
Yeah.
Tell you
Does
what.
it have a hole in the pan at the moment?
No, sir. Someone shut me off, but it was
I mean,
idling.
shut- you
Well,
gotta
I
shut off
shut
because of
off
this.
both trucks to run on the same radio, but when I heard it pop, I just shut them both off.
Yeah,
It was sick. It was awesome.
Here's what I can do. I can offer you jack stand for a few days to help. I can. He'll still be clocked in at my shop, but you guys can have him.
Okay, you got free labor.
Yeah, free
show
labor.
you how to
dude. I told you.
I'll gladly put a motor in there, but I get to
Can
break
you
it
bring
in.
parts with
He
it?
can bring some parts with him. I mean, the last time I drove a monster truck, it was awesome, but driving it as Mullet, it's way better.
Way better.
It's just way better.
You were really letting her
I
eat.
felt like I was in a bald eagle. I felt like I was captaining a bald eagle.
I came back the second time, I about just went home. You know,
James' house on the other side of those trees.
they showed me how to reset the radio thing. I was just gonna hold the button down and just keep driving so he couldn't shut me off. I don't
What
think I'd
happened?
ever.
How did you throw a rod, buddy?
I was just sending it, dude.
Doing
You came
donuts.
back for donuts again, so I came back for more donuts, and then it was running great till it
We
wasn't.
might
It
have
literally
over donutted. Is there a limitation on donuts?
No.
Okay, so
You guys were donutting like some professionals.
No, they
I'll
was-
tell
they
you
look
what,
good.
There were some
Everything
good
looked good.
donuts.
the trucks are really dialed. The EFI, they're really snappy.
We had a little bit of a struggle when we first got it, but we've got it dialed in now, and we are loving it.
These have the same computers as Eagle, the fuel techs.
Yeah.
And like, remember when we tried EFI on our alcohol blower? We couldn't get it to be snappy like that. These things are like, ah.
Yes.
You couldn't
well,
tell. Like if you didn't know these were EFI, you'd think they're still.
I would have
mechanical.
thought it was just a
They-
good mechanical.
The way they fire up too, they literally.
Yeah, you guys got something good going there.
Between LTR helping us with the tune and Fuel Tech, we couldn't be more than happy that we got
That's
EFI.
sick.
Well, let's get her fixed because I'm not done.
Everything was good
Hey,
besides
we're not
James'
changing the
rod.
motor today. We are done. You're done.
You're done, bud.
I wanted to do a wheelie. I was looking at what I could run over to slap me up for a wheelie, you know?
Yeah, well, your rod's now.
Old jack stand chucked the rod out of the monster truck.
Old Chucker Rod jack stand.
Sticks in there doing
This
like
guy
a
cannot be trusted with anything.
No.
You could give him a Proline Hemi and he could break it with a toothpick.
Yeah.
Dang it, dude. Still got other trucks for the show today, but one down. All right, well, let's go do some burnouts.
All right.
Look at this guy. He's hitting our burnout party with a nice circle. Nice. Here we go, baby! It's burnout time!
car coming out. Of course he broke it. I knew I shouldn't have let him drive. Oh, she's done. You idiot, dude.
Yeah, I'm sending it, bud.
Brother, it's game time. Will the corn cob pop tires for the first time ever? What do you think? We gotta try our best. You don't sound too confident. This is like our 6th attempt. You're not wrong, brother. You're not wrong.
Yeah! Finally, dude! I gotta get down from there! What the heck is going on in there? What the? Is it on fire? Oh, Demo Ranch Sad out here.
By far our ride we have ever had. We had our biggest, best event last night as well. This weekend has been incredible. Thank you to all of you guys who showed up to the Freedom Factory. And thank you to all of you watching live on Freedom Plus. Thanks to the whole production team, the Freedom Factory team. I know I'm going to miss some people here, but the Pyro team, Jace for flying, everybody that was involved. It was an incredible weekend. Could not be more proud of the team. Thanks for watching. Do it for Dale. We'll frickin' see you later.